Hello there, I'm Junaid and welcome back again to Xfinity. Today I will show you how to make YouTube thumbnails on Canva 2021. We will see step-by-step guide to make an attractive thumbnail for YouTube videos using Canva, which is free and easy to learn, including what to include in YouTube video thumbnail to increase click-through rate on your YouTube videos. Being a content creator, you should know how important the YouTube thumbnails are that people see before watching your videos. So let's start right now. Alright fellas, so in this video we will learn how we can create an amazing thumbnail for YouTube videos. So this video is going to be super creative and amazing, and make sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. Alright, so in this video we will see how we can make an amazing and attractive thumbnail for YouTube using Canva. You can also use Photoshop, but there are many ambiguities in using Photoshop. You need to be very expert to use that, but in Canva you can use templates, or somehow you can use simple things to make an amazing and competitive thumbnail as in Photoshop. So that's why we are going to see how we can make an amazing thumbnail for YouTube videos in Canva. Alright, let us dive straight into the browser. Alright fellas, so I am right inside my browser, and here you need to go to canva.com, and after that you need to click on create design, and here you need to search thumbnail, and it will show you the results, and what we need from here is a YouTube thumbnail. Once you click on it, you will be navigated to this page, and if you want to sign in, that's best for you, because if you do not sign into your account, you will not be able to upload the videos or photos here. All right, so that's why I recommend to sign in first and then use it. So in this video we will try to make a thumbnail for our latest video that I'm going to upload on YouTube, and it needs to be very creative and attractive so that viewers can see what is going on inside this video by watching the picture and click on it. So that's why it is a very creative method. So you need to be very creative to make a YouTube thumbnail. So I will try to create something very amazing so that viewers can click on my video and watch my videos. All right, so first of all I have some images that I will upload, and then we will try to customize it. So by in order to upload, you need to click on uploads, and click on upload media, and I want to upload from device, so I will click on device, and I will find my pictures. Or you can simply go to your directory and select any pictures that you want to upload and drag it right inside this window, and it is easier. As you can see, my all pictures are uploading that I want to use in my thumbnail. So you need to first of all gather the pictures that you want to upload. This is the first step. Once the upload has been completed, you need to drag and drop into this main page so that we can make a thumbnail. So what I'm going to think about, I'm thinking about first of all to use this picture, as I want to show this message, and I will keep everything white. So in order to do this, I will go to elements. You can use every element here, and I will select this rectangular box, and by clicking on color I will select white color, and I will drag it here so that I can hide everything. As you can see, I have hide everything in this picture, and I do not want to show this purple area too, so I can undo this and keep it out of my frame. Now you are getting the idea how we can achieve this target. This is too long, so I will try to keep it short and hide the purple area. And now again I will try to drag it. I will click on this rectangular box and try to change its color, and I will hide everything here. And you don't worry about the corners, it is magnetic, so it will automatically uh, stick to corners. So I have this message here. If I want to keep it in the center, that is going to look very cool, but this area will be left white, so I will keep it to the left. All right, so this is our first part, and I can see some line here. All right, that's fine, that's cool. So you can also zoom in and out by dragging this. All right, so that's your choice. And after that, I will go to uploads again, and now I have to use this picture. All right, and I want to use this specific area. Now you can see my mouse cursor, it has changed to a pointer, and I will drag it to the specified position that I want to use. That's right. Alright, so I will also use it somewhere that I find a suitable place for it, and I think it should be in the center, or I don't know. It all depends upon your usage and creativity. And I want to highlight the boundaries of this picture. I will go to elements, and you can write rectangle here. Let me write rectangle, and you will see this option here. You can use this to highlight this specific box, as you can see. And now I can also change its color. I will keep it to red. Yeah, that's right. Cool. And now if you want to change its position, you can do this too. If you had done something wrong, you can simply click Ctrl Z, it will undo everything. All right, this is not an issue, so I will keep it here. All right, that's fine. Perfect. Now I will also I want to use this message, so I will keep it here and trim it some extent so that I can use it. And I also want to trim it from the top and from the bottom too, and I will keep it somewhere. Where should I place it? Yeah, that's fine, but I want to create a badge here in the bottom, so that's why let's stick it here, and let's move this over this area. And now another important thing, you can also specify the position of your pictures. Just highlight the specified picture or any element, and go to position and select forward. It will be forwarded. I will do this same for this picture, and now you can see I can use this anywhere I want. All right, that's fine. And now I will use this message that I want to display. I don't want to show anything except payments, and this area, that's fine. I also don't want to show this, so all right. And I will keep it in the center, but again I want to use something here, so I need to move it. Something is going through my mind, how can I make it attractive, you know. I will keep it here, and I will short it. I will trim it so that I don't need any further parts, and now that's fine. And I want to create the icons for the YouTube and the AdSense. So for the icons, I will go to elements and write YouTube, and I will find YouTube from here. As you can see, YouTube logo, or YouTube logo, YouTube this is the YouTube logo too. I will keep it here, and I also want to use the AdSense icon. Now this is the picture that I downloaded from the tool, and drag it here, so you can simply do this too. That's very easy to do. All right, that's fine. And now I will create a bar or a label here so that I can write something. I will go to elements, and I will select square, and I can use this. And you can see the rotating here arrows in the circular path, and it also shows the degree. I will change it to 30 degree and drag it here for the label, and I can extend it so that I can write something. It all depends upon your creativity. That's all I'm saying. And I need more space so that I can trim it. That's fine. Alright, so I will write here something by going to text, and you can use anything, any template you want. Alright, but I like this one, so that's why I will delete this lower part and I will edit this part. So I will write verify your identity, and this is very big size. You can change the size from here. I will keep it at 48, and you can also change the font from here. Alright, you can also change the color from here. This is very flexible, so you can do whatever you want. Alright, you can change it to italic, underlined, the text alignment, spacing, effects, and you can also animate it. So but I am not going to make a video, so definitely I'm not going to animate it. And I will add effect here like this, and I will write verify identity in Google AdSense in the 2021. Now I want to keep it here, so I will rotate it to 30 degree, and once my mouse is cursor is converted into 4 pointers, I can drag it here. So I need to figure something out so that it can be easily shifted here. Alright, so I can do this. As you can see, somehow it is going to work, but I need more space right here. So what I need to do something with this. I can keep it short, and I can also keep it short too, and increase the area something here, and I can use this. That's fine. And now this is the alignment for left, centered, and right, but I like to keep it in the center, so that's why verify identity in Google AdSense, but I need more space here. But make sure to keep the angles in the same angles as the degree of this red area is 30, and the degree for the text is also 30, so that's why they are going to align. All right, but if you want to keep it straight, you can also do that too. It is going to be very effective. I will keep it at 0. As you can see, it looks cool, and I will keep its color to yellow so that it can be so prominent, and I can also reduce it if you want to, but if you want to keep it at maximum, you can do that too. So I have more space here, and I will decrease it too so that it can be easily readable. AdSense logo is there, message is there, it is there, the message, it is not displaying it properly, so I will try to drag it where it is properly readable, and that's fine. Now I can see the YouTube logo, AdSense logo, this message here, the verification process, and the text. All right, so now this is a very effective thumbnail, and a very clickbait thumbnail. Now I will also try to add some tick marks and something. I will also go to elements and write. If you want to search something, you can do whatever you want. So I will write tick, and it will display some useful results. As you can see, I can use it here so that it shows that is successfully achieved what I am trying to do. So you can play around with that. Let me change its specified color to something like blue so that it becomes more prominent, as you can see. And I will also try to change its color to white. Yeah, that's fine. Verify. I will keep verify in the green color. You can simply select this highlighted area and click on the color. Verify your identity in Google AdSense. Now it looks more, realistic. And now I can also use this in that area. And in order to change its color, you can go to adjust, or you can apply a filter. As you can see, colors are different in that specific area. So I can use it here. This space was left, so I can use the YouTube Studio icon here. All right. And you can drag and drop. You can drag whatever you want to do, or you want to do something, or you want to change something. And now I think this logo should be here. And as you can see, I cannot see, so I will change its position to forward. And now I can easily see it. Now my space is equipped, and now I can write something here, like arrow or something like this. So I will go to search and write arrow, and I can use any arrow I want. Something that is more prominent and that I want to use. That's fine, and I will keep its color to red. And now you can see this is a perfect thumbnail that we wanted to build. And I think this is more bordered, so I will reduce its size. As you can see, the borders are less bold, and I will keep it to stick the boundary so that I cannot see the background, and that's it. Now I have more space to make it larger, and that's it. I have more space here, but that's fine, nothing to worry about. And this is the perfect thumbnail that I want to use. So let me do something more. Alright, that's fine. Now once you're done with your editing, you can simply click on download, and I recommend to select file type as PNG. Don't go with anything, and click on download. Once you click on download, your download will start. And that's it. You have a perfect logo to be uploaded on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more tutorials on similar topics, comment down below. And if you face any problem, you can also comment in the comment section. I will try my best to solve it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.